Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's doing well. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you never miss an update from me. In this video, I'm doing some Chanel inspired black and gold nails. So I already have her stiletto tips applied, which I shaped up with a hand file. And her natural nail has already been prepped for the application. If you want to see in detail the prep and shaping of the tips, I'll leave a video in the top right that you can check out, and I show in detail all of that process. But using my number 12 oval alpha brush, I'm picking up clear acrylic and I'm gonna build up the entire nail with this clear. This is after file shaping and buffing the nails. So I'm just going in with this black gel polish by Madame Glam called Perfect Black. And I'm just gonna do 2 thin layers, curing between each layer for 60 seconds. So after the second layer cured, I did go in with a top coat, and I used IBD Intense Seal No Wipe Top Coat Gel. And I didn't show that because it just felt kind of redundant because I will be top coating a second time. This top coat that I did apply the first time was just to act as a base for us to apply our charms, since the black gel is sticky after curing and I didn't want to apply charms onto a sticky layer. So go ahead and top coat it, and once the top coat has been cured, I'm going in with my hand file and just doing some finalizing with the shape. I'm pretty obsessive about my shape. I want it to be really crisp and clean, and after all those layers of gel, I kind of lose my shape a little bit. So I'm just lightly going in and shaping up the sides and roughing up the top of the nail. That way all of our charms and glue can adhere really well. Finally, after all the glue is dry, we are top coating once again with IBD Intense Seal. So this is the finished result. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think of these nails. Would you ever wear something like this? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye!